Hey everybody, me again. Our day 5 Bible challenge. Now, in today's story, Jesus was serving his disciples a very important meal, breakfast. And that's something important that Jesus wants us to do for everyone, is to live a life of serving. Now I'm going to do a really neat trick. For this one, you'll need a pan, milk. Go ahead, pour it out. It's bright white, so it works really well for what we're doing. Pour some in there. Very good. You'll also need dish soap and different colors of food coloring. I've got blue, yellow, green, red. I'm going to start with those. Now, the trick about this one is you're going to put all the drops in one spot in the middle of the pan. So here's a couple. So that's blue. Next is our yellow. It's kind of funny how dark it is. Put that in there. When it mixes with the blue, it makes green. But we're going to have more green anyways. Green's good color. There we are. Next we'll add red. Now it's going to be a bit of a dark black blob in the middle. It's kind of fun to see the next part. So next, you take your soap and you're just going to put a couple drops in the middle. Here we go. Look at that. You can see all the colors and how they spread out. Really fun to the different corners of the pan. What a neat trick. This is something you can show your friends and family. And the reminder about this one is Jesus' disciples were all together with him at one time, but eventually they spread out throughout the world and they ministered and they served others. Something that you guys can do now and as you get older. Thanks for doing this with me. You guys have a good one.